Kit was really good. Love his sense of humor, and he had a lot of stuff jammed into a short period of time.
That's hilarious.
Hysterical. I love Kit.
Yeah.
Don't be so serious about it.
Yeah.
So.
Laugh at yourself. Wow. Yeah. That was he was really a lot of fun that way.
Kit was awesome. He was a ton of fun. You know, one of the hardest spots to speak at is at the end of the day. Other people are getting home from work, and so there's all kinds of, you know, potential distractions. But I didn't find myself wandering at all.
Funny. Yeah. I loved the cheesiness. I love cheesy humor, and he's got all this energy. I love the idea of his quote. His takeaway was, "You are the only person you're going to spend your entire life with, so you better enjoy yourself." I love that.
He's hilarious. Time management, utilizing those strategies to keep me on task.
He put on not just an entertaining show, but actually gave just a ton of practical advice too. So it's brilliant when you can throw in practical application mixed inside of a lot of entertainment and just keep people's focus. And it was awesome. It's the first time I'd seen him, but I thoroughly enjoyed it.